Hello, my name is Raymond Elser. I'm the diesel instructor here at Pickens Technical College. In the diesel technology program, students learn about large engines, fixing brakes, working on lighting and electrical systems. Our methods go beyond regular textbooks, teaching you how to carefully examine, upkeep, and expertly fix diesel vehicles. Pickens has made a substantial investment in tools, training aids, and components to improve our students' learning and readiness for the ever-changing diesel industry. Our well-equipped workshop enables students to practice on a variety of different vehicles. Pickens Technical College Diesel Program offers students valuable opportunities to learn specific skills that are highly sought after by employers. These skills include mastering 12 and 24 volt starting and charging systems, engine teardown and rebuild, understanding different diesel engine systems, repairing fuel systems, high pressure and low pressure systems, brake systems, lighting and instrumentation, basic HVAC, electrical systems, and more. Students also benefit from hands-on training and problem-solving experiences with real trucks to enhance their learning journey. In our program, we focus on hands-on learning, ensuring that students spend 70% of their time in a shop setting and 30% in the classroom. Our goal is to fully immerse students in a realistic work environment to prepare them for their future careers. While they learn the basics in the classroom, the majority of their time is dedicated to applying practical knowledge to real-world situations in the shop. Our goal is to provide as good of a real-life learning environment as we can. The industry is demanding more than we can supply, so students looking for good wages and benefits after program completion should feel confident that Pickens Technical College is a great place to start.